What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Zahid and today I'm joined by my boy John.
So guys.
And his beautiful 2019 Subaru WRX. And today we're gonna do probably the first mod most car guys do to their cars when they get them, and that's gonna be a catback exhaust. Not just any catback, we got a Tomei titanium exhaust. It's a single exit. I'm gonna have Onpoy tell you guys a little more about it. But fun fact, I actually used to own a WRX before I got my S2000. Such a fun car. And yeah, let's get right into it.
God damn, this is humongous dunga. Holy shit. You put my whole fist in here.
Does it pass the fist test?
The fist test.
Nice.
God damn, this thing is fucking crazy.
There you go.
God damn. Look at this exhaust. I wonder what the
full
thickness
titanium,
is.
I guess. This is the Tomei Expreme TI, which I believe stands for titanium. This is the nicest muffler I've ever seen, and that's coming from someone who owns a Mugen titanium exhaust. This is way nicer. It's so freaking nice, and it's massive. Okay, let's get into it. Just like any other exhaust install, you're gonna start by removing your stock exhaust. We started with the mid pipe and worked our way back to these gigantic mufflers. To make your life easier, lube up the exhaust hangers and bolts with something like PB Blaster a few minutes before you start working on your car. This will make them easier to remove. Here's a quick comparison between the stock exhaust and the Tomei exhaust. The Tomei is definitely wider throughout and felt significantly lighter than the stock exhaust. So we decided to weigh them to see what the actual difference was. Can I lean this on you?
Yeah. It's on my shoulder.
Total weight, 243 minus 204, 39.
Yeah, 39.
39 pounds.
39 pounds? 219. Holy shit.
So this whole thing only weighs like 15 pounds.
Oh.
All right, so the stock one was about 39 pounds.
Yeah, 39.
And this one is about 15.
It's fucking bazooka.
You know, most cars don't benefit too much in terms of performance gains when it comes to a catback exhaust, but there's definitely some benefits to weight savings, and that's a pretty big difference. What is that, 20 pounds?
Yeah, something
Yeah,
like
about
that.
20 pounds. Yeah, what you can, but you know why we're really here. We're here because we want to hear how it sounds. So Tomei actually recommends to reuse your stock exhaust hangers. If you purchase reinforced exhaust hangers for this setup, there's a higher likelihood of the exhaust cracking under any type of flex. So be sure to reuse these as long as they're reusable, and I'm sure there are aftermarket equivalents to your stock one as well. Need you to slide that thing in there. That's what she said. All in all, this install shouldn't have taken us more than 2 hours, but unfortunately we kept running into little issues like we always do. This is the exact moment we realized that the mid pipe was on incorrectly and that we had to rotate it. John, aka Onpoy, took care of this and then we got right back to it. In order to avoid this mistake for your own install, just make sure that the Tomei exhaust setup follows the same curves as the stock one. Okay, let's try this again. We started by bolting the mid pipe to the cat using the stock donut gasket. Tomei provides an additional gasket that I believe are only used if you have an aftermarket downpipe. I'm not 100% sure on this, but reusing the OEM donut gasket worked perfectly with no leaks. Last step is to secure the muffler to the exhaust hanger. The exhaust tip looks a little low here, which we did fix off camera. To get it seated in the right position, make sure to use the outer exhaust hanger as opposed to the inner one we used here. Finally, we're going to clean off the fingertips and start her up. actually still a couple bugs we got to work out. It sounds like there's a spring rattle.
Yeah, the spring rattle. It's kind of annoying, but we'll see.
Yeah, so we realized after they installed that, a lot of people complain about the clamps for the exhaust on this specific model. So Ampoy is going to troubleshoot that, figure it out. I think without the little slight spring rattle, it sounds pretty good.
Yes,
it sounds a million times better than stock.
Yeah,
so yeah, we're going to let Ampoy go and enjoy his car. All right, until next time. Peace out. Later, guys.